Hello friends, welcome back. Today you will learn how you can create many passport images with a click with the help of Photoshop. Okay, on Photoshop, when you have taken an image, now you start a new image with the height and whatsoever pixel or height you want to give. You can here, suppose I'm giving 200 and this is background is color selected, so you got it here. Okay, this is very small looking, so let me get it around 800 and 700. Okay, I got it. So I want an image of this one. Okay, passport size, suppose I need 8 images to be printed at a time, so I can get this. Okay, now even I can crop it here. It looks bigger, so what I shall do, I'll get this much. Okay, and click on this and get it. Now crop it with this much setting. Okay, click it. Now I need passport size of 12 and 16, so I can click on this option. This is automate and create here the contact sheet. Okay, here I have but I can click on widget package. Okay, so here I have how many images I require. I can click on this and suppose I need 16, so I can create 16 images like here. Okay, so within this click I got these all images. So now how I wanna to create paper size. I wanna create 20 images even. Okay, so this much we can print at a single time. So I just got them, and now I have to click on this option, so I'll get it, and then I have to only print out. Okay, see, this is very nice way how I can print this much without big work. Okay, I don't work more, and easily I could create or print 20 passport size images and then cut it. Cut. Okay, first you print, press Ctrl P and print. As you print out and cut it and give it earn. I think the price of printing 20 pages, 20 images, I think the cost is around 100 rupees. Okay, so you can purchase, you can easily earn this much in the Photoshop. Okay, so these are the tasks in images with the help of Photoshop you can create. So this is dynamically can be printed and given to person. Okay, this is single click and print and go. Okay, so this is nice way. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.